A little over a year ago, I reviewed the Vinci Android Power over-the-ear headphones, which, as you might recall, included a large touchscreen on the side. After that successful launch, the company is back with Vinci 2.0 and another successful Kickstarter campaign. The new headphones aren't out quite yet, but I did get a chance to play with them at CES a few weeks back. While the concept is the same, these headphones are dramatically different than the originals. They're still running Android and allow you to listen to your music while on the go without having to lug your phone around with you. But the design is a little bit more subtle this time around, with a much smaller screen on the side. Now, you might think that a screen is still a little bit much, but it's actually quite useful if you don't have your phone with you and you want to change to a specific song or tweak the settings of the headphones. But that's not the only way to interact with them. There's also a motion sensor with a gesture recognition feature, which allows you to swipe or wave your hand over the sensor on the earbuds to change the song or even control the volume. And if you're comfortable talking to your headphones, Vinci 2.0 also has Alexa built in, allowing you to use the thousands of Alexa skills that developers have already created. It will also help you track your workouts with its built-in accelerometer, heart rate sensor, and compass.
You've ran 3 miles and taken 4,500 steps with an average heart rate of 105 beats per minute. Half a mile and 5 more minutes to go.
On top of that, 3G connectivity means that you'll be able to make phone calls and also stream your music even when you leave your phone behind. The company had said that Kickstarter backers will start receiving their units in March, but general availability of Vinci 2.0 will open up in April or May, with the cheapest option, which includes 8 GB of storage, going for $150. Personally, I really enjoyed the first generation headphones from Vinci, and this new product looks promising so far. Even though the unit I tested at CES was an early prototype, it felt really solid, comfortable, and the audio quality was impressive as well. Hopefully, they can find a way to get Vinci 2.0 into retail channels in the US, giving consumers the option to actually test this out before they buy it. I'm hoping to get my hands on a review unit as soon as Vinci 2.0 is available, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see my review as soon as it's online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.